Hey guys, it's me Bailey, and today I'm going to be doing a cream cheese and bagel mukbang. So, I'm going to start doing it. This cream cheese is so smooth. Just going to take a piece off of here and put it on. I love bagels, guys. Bagels are my favorite. I got 4 bagels. Okay. Now I got, oopsies. Now I got my first bagel done. That's really good. It's crunchy too. That cream cheese. And guys, you can see that it's really crunchy because of that. My mom put them in the oven. Comment down below what your favorite bagel is and how you cook your bagels. Because when my mom cooks them, I give it a thumbs up. I don't really eat bagels a lot though, but it's good. Get a close look at that. As you can see, it's a little brown right here. I like a lot of cream cheese on mine. These are what you want early in the morning. And guys, next ASMR or mukbang I do, it's probably gonna be junk food because you always gotta get out there and try stuff. It's good. Alright. I'm going for the crunchiest one. Alright. First bagel down.